Terrorists are always a threat to someone. If we'll be scared of them, it means they have won. Russia is a part of European culture. Therefore, it is with difficulty that I imagine NATO as an enemy. If you enjoyed the video, please like video and subscribe channel. We shall fight against them, throw them in prisons, and destroy them. I think the American people should express their preferences, and will accept their choice. Iraq is a small, but very proud nation. Those who fight corruption should be clean themselves. I have a private life in which I do not permit interference. It must be respected. I don't read books by people who have betrayed the motherland. Protest actions and propaganda are two slightly different things. Sometimes it is necessary to be lonely in order to prove that you are right. Everything will probably never be okay, but we have to try for it. I think we should not control the internet. My personal position is that society must keep children safe. The Russian people have their own cultural code, their own tradition. Politics should not interfere with sports. And sports should impact politics. The worst thing for a politician is to try and cling to power by every possible means, and focus only on that. Russia and China are very natural partners. We are neighbors with an immense common border. Life would be boring without gossip. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Jossan quotes.